Hi, this is Vijayalakshmi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, KCS Kasinada College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to see about models in Python. What is models? A model is simply a Python file with a .py extension that can be imported inside another Python program. The name of the Python file becomes the model name. The model contains definition and implementation of classes, variables, function that can be used inside another program. The advantage of modules. Reusability. Working with modules make the code reusable. Second one, simplicity. Models focus on a small proportion of the problem rather than focusing on the entire problems. Third one is scoping. A separate namespace is defined by a model that helps to avoid collision between identifiers. First, we are going to see about how to create a model. In this example, we will create a model named as file.py, which contains a function display message that contains a code to print some message on the console. How to load the model in our Python code? There are two ways to import the Python model in our Python code. First method is using import statement. Second method is using from import statement. Let's see how to load the module using import statement. The import statement is used to import all the functionality of one module into another. Here we must notice that we can use the functionality of any Python source file by importing that file as the module into another Python source file. The syntax to use the import statement is import module 1, module 2 up to module n. Example. Here we import the module file using the import statement. In second line, we are getting the input from the user. In third line, we are to access the function in the module, we have to use the module name dot function name. Here, file is the module name and display message is the function name. Let's see how to import modules using the from import statement. Instead of importing the whole module into the namespace, Python provides the flexibility to import only the specific attributes of a module. This can be done by using from import statement. The syntax to use the from import statement is from is a keyword, module name, and import name1 or name2, that is the function name we are accessing from the module. Let's see an example. Here I am having the calculation.py module file. In this module, I have three functions: summation, multiplication, and division. I am having another file main.py. In this, I'm going to import only the summation from calculation module. For this, I'm using from import statement. That is from this calculation is the module name and import is a keyword. This is summation is the function name. I'm going to use only the function summation. I'm getting the two inputs from the user and print the sum using the summation function from the module. We do not need to specify the module name while accessing summation. The from import statement is always better to use if we know the attributes to be imported from the module in advance. It doesn't let our code to be heavier. We can also import all the attributes from the module by using star. The syntax is from module import and star. Next one is renaming a module. Python provides us the flexibility to import some module with a specific name so that we can use this name to use that module in our Python source file. The syntax to rename a module is import module name as specific name. Example, here in the model calculation of previous example is imported in this example as cal. Next one is reload function. As we have already stated that a module is loaded once regardless of the number of time it is imported into the Python source file. However, if you want to reload the already imported modules to re-execute the top level code, Python provides us the reload function. The syntax to use the reload function is reload module name given in the bracket. I hope you understand the concept of modules in Python. Let's see in the next video. Thank you.